Shocking event happens. Watch this.
So the shark is just pretty much interested right now at this point in him paddling around. The surfer lifts his hands and feet up. Doesn't want to provoke the shark or look scared in any way. That's what you should always do. Never paddle and splash. And they're probably just gonna turn away and think you're not in trouble because they want to eat or attack something that's weak or in trouble. So as long as you just continue to do your thing and stay calm, it should just go on its way.